Do you know who I am? Probably not. Do you want to know who I am? Just a mad girl, trapped. There is no way out. You come in, lost, searching for hope. You receive nothing. I've been trapped in this room for so long now. The only person I'm able to see is myself. Do you know how terrifying that is? All alone. Nobody to cuddle close to. Sometimes I hear the outsiders. I'm all forgotten. I hear them laugh, cry, scream, sing. Am I even alive? Is this what death is? I said I'd change, for the good. But it's too late now. I had the time to change. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. Can you believe that? You can't help me. You can't help me anymore. You think you're helping by just watching this? Watching me struggle. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone.